The unprecedented violence that unfolded on Republic Day has led to a quiet at Singhu, Tikri and Ghazipur border where farmers from Punjab, Haryana and many other parts of the country have been protesting for the past 2 months against the centre's 3 agricultural laws. In the violence that broke out, 394 police personnel have been injured, according to Delhi Police Commissioner, who told the media this on Wednesday. One farmer has also lost his life. The police is now investigating the violence cases. As many as 25 FIRs have been filed in this regard. 37 farm union leaders, including 6 spokespersons of the Sanyukta Kisan Morcha, have been named in an FIR registered at Samaipur Badli Police Station in Outer Delhi based on a complaint filed by Inspector Anil Kumar. The 6 Sanyukta Kisan Morcha spokespersons who have been named are Jagjit Singh Dalewal, who is the president of BKU Sidhupur, Balbir Singh Rajewal, president of BKU Rajewal, Darshan Pal, who is the president of Krantikari Kisan Union, Rakesh Tiket, who is the president of BKU, Kulwant Singh Sandhu, who is the general secretary of Jamhuri Kisan Sabha, Yogendra Yadav, president of Swaraj Party India. Barring Yogendra Yadav, all the others took part in the talks with the government. The FIR against them lists sections of rioting, criminal conspiracy, attempt to murder and robbery. The rioters or protesters and their leaders had a pre-planned objective of not following the mutually agreed route, because of which the violence took place, the FIR says. After negotiations with Delhi police, 4 routes were decided for the farmers' tractor parade on January 26th, and 18 unions had also given an undertaking to follow these routes. One of the FIRs on the Red Fort incident also names Punjabi film actor and singer Deep Sidhu and Lakhbir Singh Sidhana alias Lakha Sidhana, gangster turned politician and president of the Malwa Youth Federation. Deep Sidhu, whose video from Red Fort had gone viral, accepted on social media that he led the group of farmers to Red Fort, deviating from the agreed upon route. He was also seen in the video waving the religious flag and shouting religious slogans at the Red Fort. The Delhi police has also issued a notice to farmer leader Darshan Pal of Sanyukta Kisan Morcha, asking why a legal action should not be taken against him. Today, police also issued lookout notices against these farmer leaders. The leaders were also asked to surrender their passports. Delhi police personnel arrived at Ghazipur border, where they pasted the lookout circular outside the tent of farmer leader Rakesh Tiket. Meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah met injured cops at hospital. The government has said that they are ready to talk to farmers only if they accept the offer of the government, which was suspension of farm laws for 1.5 years. On the other hand, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal on Thursday accused the Delhi police of framing people for the Republic Day violence and demanded action against the individuals and the party behind the episode. Addressing the Aam Aadmi Party's National Council meeting, Kejriwal said the unfortunate turn of events during the rally does not imply that the movement has ended. A country where farmers have to fight for their survival can never be happy, Arvind Kejriwal said. What turn does the protest take from here on remains to be seen. Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free, because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus, we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.